First of all, go to Google and search Windows 10 installation media. Okay, installation media ISO. Okay, hit enter, and now you will go to this Microsoft.com website. Okay, make sure this is Microsoft.com website, and now click on download tool now. Okay, now it is getting downloaded. Now this media creation tool.exe has been downloaded on your computer. Just click on it to open it. Now it will have two options: upgrade to this PC now, upgrade this PC now, and create installation media. We'll select the second option, create installation media USB file drive. Click on next. You can change it, this architecture you can change it. This is the recommended option for this PC, means the PC on which you are downloading, it automatically fetches the configuration of that PC, and just select the best possible, Windows 10. But you can, if you want to change, just uncheck this, and now you can select 32-bit or any other thing you want. Okay, but leave it by default, because for this if you want 64-bit only. Now click on next. Now you have two options. One is an ISO file which you can download on your PC only, so you can download this ISO file on this PC currently on which you're doing this process, or a USB flash drive in which you can create installation media. So we want the first option. Now click on next. Now here we'll select this. Now here is our USB drive. Make sure that it is completely formatted and empty. Okay, no file is in this USB. Now we have selected E. Click on next. So guys, your USB flash drive is ready. This is E USB flash drive, and now you can click on finish, and now it will finish the drive, and now you can take out of your USB. This has become your installation bootable USB disk. Thanks for watching guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching The Geek.